Hello everyone, it's Murph on the street once again, episode 3. We apologize for not recording episode 2 of the Subway series. Stupid network trying to kick us off public access. But I'm here tonight with Raw Meat. We just came back from seeing Ride. Now, tell us your experience. What were your thoughts on the show this evening?
It's cool, you got a lot of noise and stuff, it's music too, but there's also noise. And it made me really thirsty. I'm drinking
What part of the show that you think was made it all for you?
I would probably say that that part where they played that Vapor Trail was a nice song. That Vapor Trail song.
I don't like nonfiction.
Alright, you heard it here first from Calvis, episode 3, Murph on the street. Fuck you, public access.
Raw Meat is taking over. Raw Meat is in control. Raw Meat is blocking 80% of the camera with his finger, and he acknowledges this.